Well, folks, miracles do happen here in the great state of Texas. It is raining. Yes, it is raining in the summertime. So that means we're going to go fishing tomorrow. Some people ask me, do the fish bite better when it's raining? I don't know. I mean, they're already wet, so what does it really matter? But secondly, yeah, I do think they bite a little bit better after a rain. Water turned up, the surface temp cooled off a little bit. But let me know what y'all think. Leave it in the comments below. Y'all have a great day. See y'all later.